Hi guys, it's Foxy, welcome back to my channel, and today we're doing this festive silver makeup look, and if you're interested, let's get into it. For my eyebrows, I'm gonna be using Flower Nose eyebrow product. It's like 2-in-1. I would say it feels like a pomade, but like in a pencil form. Then I like to brush through my eyebrows. It helps to blend the pigment. I also like to apply the lip oil or lip mask on my lips before I start with my lip makeup. So let's add Wonder Skin lip oil, lip rehab therapy oil. I have it in the shade clear, so it's transparent basically. And just like a little treatment before doing your lip makeup. MAC Stroke Cream as a base, as a primer. I'm applying it with Louise F87 brush. I have a little bit of a residue and I'm just gonna stretch it on my neck. Let's add Wonder Skin 1440 longwear eyeliner. This one is in a shade Oyster Blue and I'm gonna be using it on my waterline. Now I'm gonna add She Glam Cushion Foundation, and this one is in the shade Linen. I'm applying it with the small brush. It's like eye blender brush, but I use it for specifically applying concealer when I want it to be pretty precise. I just did that. And I love doing that. And on my eyelid. I love using it as an eyeshadow base. First of all, I'm gonna take this shade. Now I'm gonna add shimmer black in my inner corner and on the waterline as well. I still don't add the eyeliner exactly on the inner corner because I want to add highlighter in this part, and after that I will finish the eyeliner. But on the outer corner, on the other hand, you can tell I love eyeliner, especially this cat eye-ish eyeliner. Love it. Now I'm going in with She Glam Crystal Jelly in a shade Starlit Silver. Adding it on the inner corner. And here as well. It feels super wet and super refreshing because it also feels cooling. Now I'm going back to the eyeshadows because I want to add more of these shimmery shades on my eyelid. On the outer corner. This little brush, it's called Detail Shader. It's from Jessup. Taking this black shimmer shade and it on the outer corner. Like that. As close to the lash line as possible. And on the bottom lid as well. But we're not done yet. Now we're going to blend it with a brown shade, with this one. Now I'm gonna add black matte eyeshadow. And this time I'm gonna add it on the inner corner. Now let's add loose pigment. It's pigment from Louise. It's called Wide Awake. Pretty. I'm just applying it with my finger. Just in the center. I'm gonna pause on the eyes. I want to finish the face makeup and then add mascara. So for my face, I'm gonna be using Ultra X10 Cover Up Collagen Foundation SPF 50 PA+++ from the brand Enough. It's basically full coverage foundation with SPF 50. I love it. It's Korean. I love it so much. And I apply it with Wonder Skin Beauty Blender. Like with most of the people, my summer shade differs from my winter shade. So I'm gonna show you now how we will fix this disaster. This was the lightest shade in their shade range. They definitely need to widen it because what is this? Usually to change the shade of the foundation to make it perfect for me, to match my skin tone perfectly, I use some kind of mixers or color correctors, but not today because basically I'm just too lazy today. I don't want any extra steps, any mixing on my hand or on the palette. So we are just going to add another foundation that we actually used already today. It's this Cheek Glam foundation. Just adding it on the places that I want to highlight. Here. Near the eyes, I blend it with this eyeshadow blender brush. And all of the big spots, I just blend with a blender with a clean side. Now let's add some blush. I'm gonna be using Cheek Glam Rose Rush shade. This is a beautiful rose gold shade. It's like highlighter and blush 2-in-1. And I'm just going to take the product from my palm and blend it into my cheeks. Now let's add powder. I'm gonna use Easy Bake from Huda Beauty in a shade Cherry Blossom. I wanna add Cheek Glam Jelly Stick as a highlighter on my cheekbones. A little bit of the highlighter, this one from the Flower Nose palette, under my eyebrows. I want to add a little bit of the shimmery blush, but this time it's gonna be powder blush. I think I'll take this shade. Yeah, I think we're done with the face makeup and let's move to the lips. I'm removing the lip oil. It feels so soft. Let's add Wonder Skin All Day Lip Stain. This one is in the shade Bella. Now we're gonna wait for 1 minute or so to remove the top layer of the stain. So 1 minute passed. Let's remove the top layer. Oh, it's gorgeous. Now I'm gonna add lip liner. It's Wonder Skin as well. And it's 360 contour liner in a shade Cocoa. And let's finish it up with a lip gloss. It's Wonder Skin Wonder Blading Top Gloss in a shade Silver Glitter. Just look how pretty is this. Let's add it on my lips. It looks perfect with our today makeup. And the silver looks amazing with this silver top. Oh, I love it. The final step, as always, is mascara. For mascara, I'm going to be using Wonder Skin Infinite Raise Mascara. I have it in shade Black. As always, bottom lashes first. And now the top lashes. Let's reveal my curtain bangs. Yeah, so this is all. This is my silver Christmas makeup. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and Happy Holidays for you. And take care of yourself. See you later with Love Your Foxy. Love you, bye.